Sudha, and I am from India. And I'm working with a private university by name called Geetham University. It's in the southern part of India. And I'm working as assistant professor in Department of Entrepreneurship, the School of Management. These three letters introduced to me in the year 2019, December, when one of the trainers, Ms. Shane, visited Geetham University as a part of Tech 2019. And I was there for 3 days to attend that CIT training. And that actually opened the other dimension of humanity and compassion and kindness. These are the words. Because till then it was only a quality or a characteristic of a human being that I used to feel. But after attending that, I started challenging my knowledge about the so-called humanity. Then I thought, okay, let me really take it forward. Let the CIT, explore CIT and experience it. So that's when I started my journey of CIT. The first very important lesson for me at the CIT is it is not an individual's will or wish to do something, but it is important for them to imbibe the word in the CIT. They said neuroplasticity, so that practice. So no skill is untouched or unimportant for me, but yeah, I take definitely a more weightage, empathic concern, because that is the connect between from one individual to another and from another to on a very wider perspective to take what we wanted to do others, unless until we are capable of assessing both what is needed and how to deliver it. CIT in my life started pushing me because I'm supposed to submit my assignments and I'm supposed to do my contemplative practices and journal works. So it is a practice that I made a point to at least 3 to 4 skills of that CIT I should practice. So my day always starts with calming the body and mind, and most importantly resourcing and then grounding. And from there, the journey starts. And unfortunately, during this COVID time, it is so inevitable for each one of us. We have to, knowingly or unknowingly, are experiencing, and every skill is important. So compassion, self-compassion, and compassion toward the society, understanding interdependencies, everything. I mean, it's very difficult for me to pinpoint any one skill or one aspect of it. So I'm experiencing almost everything. My say on this CIT is actually I wanted to convert it into a way of life. I wanted to see this as a challenge to my knowledge. And the same I wanted to spread to my known groups also. Because for us, compassion is not just a feeling, but it is more one has to practice and one has to put into the way of life. So this is what I'll tell. Convert this into a way of life. This training of CIT has bring in a lot of insights into me. It's not that I'm not aware of or I'm inhuman or insane, but definitely this, the way the orientation of this program, the way the program is designed. So CIT actually, in a methodical way, it helped me to design my progress from being me to on a wider perspective to the globe. Or maybe because one more thing, actually as an academician, I'm into research. But after attending these programs of CIT, my way of looking the research problem also changed. I started thinking from the other persons. I started respecting the feeling of others. Though I feel it is not correct, it is harmful for others. But yeah, I'm not jumping into conclusions. Pause and then react. I think every human being is equally competent to take the CIT, and it is easy for me to spread the word in my professional world because all are like-minded in the sense like the deliverables are same. So I can definitely feel that all my professional colleagues I will, and even among the family also, I started looking at like wherever it is reasonably possible for people to take. I'm promoting the idea of compassion to integrate in their life and also their professions, whatever the profession they are in.